All right, Ava's unboxing her phone. Originally, first we saw my blue phone. Now we see Ava's red, and this is the XR. That's not a Super Bowl number. That's the name of the new iPhone. And yes, you're not getting played tricks on. That's a 6.1-inch screen.
Let me see the color. That's
Let's look
pretty.
at it.
That looks like the 8 color.
Let's see that. Let's see that color again. Flip it. There it is. You see how nice piano finish it is. You almost don't want to touch it. It's so nice.
Right.
It's a glass screen protector.
No, don't take that off. So she's setting that up. So yeah, so we got 4 XRs today, thanks to our handy dandy rep Jennifer here. Incoming. Are we allowed to show Jennifer?
Yeah.
There's Jennifer. She's your friendly rep right here incoming in Forsyth. If you come to a place that used to be called the Avenues, now called the Collection, you can buy your phones through Jennifer.
Please.
All right, come. This is a beautiful store, as you can see. It's very modern. They even have like sort of a lounge area. Maybe if you're nice, maybe you can even bring in your coffee, relax a little bit, and try out their devices. They got some iPads set up. They got the new phones set up.